Yes, guys, so let's talk on Bings. Yes, whatever happened, it was very, very unfortunate. Whatever happened, by there was a thing, some shit happened. Bings was streaming. There was some guy, he spoke some things which triggered out of him. He went after his family and things like those, which he could not, Bings could not do anything much, but burst out, lashed out at him, spoke few जो हुआ वो उसका गलती था. He apologized. Wasn't required. It was totally uncalled. I am nowhere standing by what Binks as an influencer, Binks as a YouTuber, Binks as a creator from SATOL said on stream. I am nowhere defending his acts, but let me talk two ways. I know whatever happened, it was totally uncalled for, और जो भी उसके actions थे, it hurted lot of his fans as well. And Reddit पे भी मैंने देखा बहुत कुछ हुआ. But, 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 here's always two side of a coin, जिसमें दूसरा coin का part was not shown. I am not, again, I repeat, I am not defending his act by saying this. It was totally uncalled for. We all know Mumbai server का reputation कैसा है toxicity के मामले में. Being a YouTuber, being a influencer, he should have controlled whatever his actions were, words were. Choice of words should have been carefully taken. But end of the day, shit happens, and it was a thing which was absolutely unjustified right now, and we are trying to fix it. We are trying to fix it at all cost. And what I can assure you is any such action from anyone in SATOL shall not be seen in further future. पहले भी हुआ है किससे, and the consequences were hard. But this time, what happened was it had two coins का part. Nobody likes to be talked about his or her mom. किसी की family को target कुछ किसी को पसंद नहीं आता. Instigating किसी को पसंद नहीं आता. But I accept the fact that being a streamer, मेरे को भी लोग गाली देते हैं, मेरे को भी लोग बोलते हैं. I still remember there was a guy in Valorant who even said his about something about my mom which was not acceptable at all. But probably my course of action regarding that guy was entirely different what Bings के केस में हुआ. So yeah, we will try to defending SATOL. Fakar Halil Shah, there is nothing, if you are out of those brigade who are trying to get this in SATOL, so let me clear one thing to you very carefully. If to defend SATOL, if I'll have to leave, no, I will leave. Yeah, and why, yes, I will defend SATOL till my last breath. अगर किसी का एक्शन मेरे एक्शन की वजह से किसी के एक्शन की वजह से मुझे भी SATOL छोड़ के जाना पड़े तो आई विल डू दैट. एंड व्हाई वुड आई नॉट डिफेंड SATOL? किसी का भी एक्शन की वजह से व्हाई इज SATOL रिस्पॉन्सिबल? दूसरे प्लेयर्स को, दूसरे लोगों को उसमें जोड़ना. आई सी लॉट ऑफ पीपल स्पैमिंग remove Bings, kick Bings. We'll see. No, we know, matlab, I am not naming anyone, but I am not demeaning things. गलती हुई है, he meant it. We are still in talking terms. Sorry. Hey Bings, what's up, man? क्या हाल है? Shit happens, Bings. That's what I was talking to audience. स्काउट का तो ये रेगुलर था, इतना एग्जैजरेट क्यों कर रहे हैं लोग? होता रहता है. स्काउट को क्यों टारगेट कर दिया बेचारे को? वो अपने आप को चेंज करने की कोशिश कर रहा है, अभी उसको पकड़ के लपेट दिया है. दीक्षित साहब, गलत बात है. स्काउट को क्यों लपेटा भाई? तेजस लांजे, थैंक यू. एंड
शाही सूट पाके नचदी हुण नवा मैं हॉलीवुड च नी कम करा बॉलीवुड च कुड़ियां भावे नाल खड़ियां ओ जट तेरे नाल जचदा